How to invite friends in Revolut and earn money. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to download and install the Revolut app on your device. Now, tap open the application. Make sure to sign into your account. For that, tap on the login option. Enter your mobile number and password. After completing the verification process, you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on your profile icon. From there, you want to tap on the invite friends option. Once you tap on that option, you can very easily invite your friends from there. Once you have invited them, reward can only be granted if your friend invited has completed all of the required steps before deadline. For you to get the reward, your friend has to sign up with the unique referral link and verify their identity. Add money to their Revolut account with a card or bank transfer. Transfers between Revolut accounts and adding money with Apple Pay or Google Pay don't count. Then they will have to order a physical Revolut card, then make three legitimate purchases with their virtual or physical Revolut card online or in store. Purchase with Apple Pay or Google Pay will work too. Three purchases need to be greater or equal to a minimum amount visible on the referral's screen. This amount is different depending on the referral's region. Once all the requirement has been completed, you will receive the money as your reward, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.